Project Scavenger can be thought of as a confluence that brings together the depositors and collectors of e-waste so that they can connect with each other by creating an ecosystem that facilitates responsible disposal, collection, and recycling of e-waste. Then when you look at developing countries like India, one of the major challenges that you will see is that we definitely don't have a system to deal with such numbers in the coming years because we are still grappling with some of the basic issues with waste management.
What happens is this e-waste, as we know, these consist of many toxic chemicals which are actually fatal to human beings and the entire ecosystem. So we have to be very careful about clearing the e-waste and properly recycling it, and we have to responsibly do that in a society.
A lot of this ends up in landfills or just piled up in random warehouses or storage houses, and they don't get recycled. We've thought if we couldn't have that opportunity to rely on an already existing system or a process or a methodology to do that for us, why don't we become the change that we want to be? So we're all co-workers. We work together on and off. So when we got this email citing that there was a Call for Code challenge, I just shot out an email to the entire group asking if anybody was interested to give this a shot. And by end of day, around 9 o'clock in the night, I see 4 emails, and these 4 were the guys who put up their hands and said, let's do it. So that's how we came together as a team.
Basically, we divided our work based on the technology stacks we had and the integrations and the middleware. And first one, like the development, we were doing in Node.js. So this main portion, that is the backend portion, everything was done by Ashik. And the UI portion and the middleware was done by me. And Cloudent was a database, and the database activities all were done by Reshma, and all the integrations like the Google Cloud Vision API, the map integration, Watson integration, all were done by Ram.
There's nothing more rewarding for us than to see the solution actually in work, because at the end of the day, I believe the Call for Code believes in tech for good. And I believe once we see our solution implemented and making an impact to lives, the entire concept would have come a full circle.